So I'm going to show you how you can create an additional domain using the Namecheap cPanel. Now, I don't know how you can create a subdomain without a cPanel, especially on the Namecheap. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you can add a domain and create a subdomain. Go over here to domains on your Namecheap panel, cPanel, and then create a new domain. And now you can enter your domain, which you just purchased on your cPanel, like just straight up put it here. You have to install SSL for each subdomain and domain. I'm not quite sure about the subdomains though, but I'm 100% certain that you have to install SSL certificate for each domain. So either you put a subdomain or the domain here, then you basically create, and you actually have to set the file system location for the document root, and it tells you this. This is not really necessary as you will not need it because you're gonna probably you're planning on hosting anything on this subdomain anyway. And once you've done that, you basically click on the submit button and you are done.